Alrighty folks, welcome back. Here we are on day 2. Let's start off on the side yard here. Lots of weed pressure. Still not too worried about it though. Lots of bumpy spots to knock down on this side, definitely. Here we are on the main front lawn. It's bumpy with quite a few high spots. This one's going to be tough. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I've got a really low spot here which I need to address. This sidewalk strip looks terrible. I've got some low spots, but the majority of it's pretty high, so I've got a lot of knockdown on this side. Still have a lot of work to get done. This is definitely gonna hurt. Look at all this wonderful stuff that's gonna be pulled out today. Man, it's gonna be tough. When I did the backyard, I started at level 3 for the first pass, then went to level 4. I'm gonna go straight to level 4 today. First pass is complete. I also started raking up the dead grass. It's looking pretty good, but still a long way to go. Let's do some more passes. So, 3 passes completed. It's looking so much better. I'm not getting that spongy feeling under my feet anymore. I'm starting to get to that soil. It's good. You can start to really see the low spots now. They're pretty obvious. I decided to just rake it all on the sidewalk to save my back. Hopefully save my back. Now it's time to start walking back and start knocking down these high spots. This is going to be fun. Alrighty folks, things are looking way better. That dethatcher can really knock down the high spots. Even though it's only half an inch at a time, but it can do the job. Which is okay, since I'm less likely to overcorrect a spot, so that's a good thing. Here's a really, really low spot I need to fill. And I've been dragging as much as I can into this really, really, really low spot. It's funny how this detaching process has turned into a slope grading project. I'll keep working at this and bring you back once I'm done. Welcome back, folks. It's now day 3. I stopped filming yesterday because the neighborhood kids were playing outside, so I didn't think it was right to do that. So this is what it looks like after yesterday. I'm very happy with the result. There are quite a few spots I still need to knock down, but for the most part, it's starting to look smooth. Well, smooth enough for government work. Alright, let's get on the side yard. First pass completed. Definitely still a bit spongy, but it's a start. Can't believe it took me this long to start using the blower. Live and learn, I guess. You can really start seeing the bumpiness of this lawn. So let's get to doing more passes. So, I completed 3 passes. Now I'm working on knocking down these high spots, walking backwards. It's getting there, but I can tell there's definitely more work to be done on this side. Did I mention that I'm really impressed with this Wen dethatcher? Well, I am. It's a beast. I can't wait to get this lawn seeded. Anyway, I'll keep on pushing and bring you back later. Well, I'm finally finished. Well, with the side strip and the side lawn. Lots of yard waste. All in all, it turned out really nice. Smooth enough for government work, I guess. It's definitely not perfect, but I will make sure and take care of some of the spots that I see in the coming days. I did knock down more high spots that I found in this front section here by the sidewalk. I tried to get it level with the sidewalk. I think it turned out okay. I moved some of the extra dirt that I got from the side into this low spot. This other low spot looks better. It's not perfect, but definitely looks better. And here's a whole lot of dirt. I'm going to use this and try and get the slope right on this side of the house. Gonna leave that for tomorrow. So far, it's all coming together. I'm pretty sure I'll find more things to do in this front yard or side yard, but pretty much I'm done for today. The plan for tomorrow is to just finish off this sidewalk strip and do some minor touches, and we should be all done, ready for seed. See you tomorrow. Well, folks, day 5. Nothing to do today, but take care of these weeds that keep popping up. This turned out way better than I expected. Next on the list is to get my irrigation tested, and we'll be ready for seed. As much ripping into the soil I did, I'm gonna pass on aerating until spring. Anyway, this wraps it up for this step of the lawn renovation. If you like this video, please smash that like button. And if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and keep on cutting.